Every story is rooted in the land where it is born. And every company, as it grows, becomes part of that land, in a symbiosis that is handed down from generation to generation. The village of San Giorgio is the Monferrato, resting among the hills and centuries-old vineyards, where the town seems to be watching, with pride, from above, its own factory. It all started in the early 1960s, during the economic and industrial boom, born from the intuition of a man who knew how to look ahead. Those were the years when everything seemed possible. More and more people joined that man, in a story that invents and innovates, so much so that in 2004 the factory of San Giorgio became Bobst Italia, integral part of the Swiss multinational company Bobst. Since then, the factory has grown, developing harmoniously and respectful of the land, becoming the center of excellence of the Bobst Group for rotogravure printing, laminating and coating applications. Fields in which, thanks to significant technological innovations, Bobst Italia has gained an advantage in its markets. A competitive sector that is always evolving, in which research into the principles of printing and laminating makes it possible to improve performance and reduce the impact on the environment. The current production system has been designed with these objectives. It is the result of constant innovation to which people ready to tackle the market challenges every day have contributed. A new logistic hub for the management and shipping of the Made in San Giorgio machines, over 100 per year. A new 1,600 square meter Competence Center, the technological hub of the entire system. A demonstration center that is unique, where rotogravure printing and laminating machines, complete and fully functional, are available for tests, simulations and demonstrations. With a pilot line dedicated to coating, on which it is possible to test real-life productions with various solutions for coating and laminating. Not only customers, but also technicians and researchers can carry out joint projects with suppliers of substrates, adhesives and inks, where it is also possible to analyze the results in real time inside the new and fully equipped laboratory. But the Competence Center is also an education center used to develop and grow operator skills who receive training both on-site and online through modern e-learning systems. All the Bobst Italia technologies are focused on sustainability in accordance with the new eco-design trends to produce the materials of tomorrow, easily recyclable, in line with the principles of energy savings and environmental sustainability of the group. And the organization of the entire plant is green. From the natural lighting, which permits significant energy savings and a better quality of work, to the photovoltaic panels and the rainwater collection system for internal reuse. Respect, passion, trust and performance. These are the cornerstones of the group's success, shared values which are the base of the pride and faith in the future. Since 1960, we have been inventing tomorrow.